What's up YouTube, Cliff here from the Sunday Drive, and today we're going to show you how to install the driver's side assist handle in your Silverado. So today we're working on my 2014 Silverado and we're going to be installing the driver's side assist handle. And this process will apply from the 2014 all the way up to the 2018 model years. Now, if you were like me, you probably noticed that all three doors have assist handles except for the driver's side, the most used door. So of course, GM does offer this as a kit, an upgrade kit that you can purchase. This one includes the mounting screws as well as the covers for these recesses right here. And the part number for this kit is 232-85090. And we will include that part number in the description, and we'll also link to this if we can find one to include down in the description for you guys. So let's show you how to install this. It's quick and simple and a nice upgrade to your Silverado. First thing you're going to want to do is pull down the weather seal around the outside of your door. Just grab it and pull it down. Then you're going to just take your hand. There's a clip right here around this area, and if you're not sure where the clips are, you can look at the back of your new trim piece that's going to go right here with the assist handle. I'll show you. So you're just going to push out on that clip. Now I have a wire here for my dash cam, so you probably will not have that wire. All right. So you're going to want to lift this up and out to clear your speakers down at the bottom. All right. When you remove that piece of trim, you're going to notice this clip is connected to it and keeping the trim connected to your pillow right here. And this is to prevent your piece of trim from ever flying out and hitting you in the face if your airbag deploys. The new piece of trim does not have a location to install it because there are going to be two screws bolting that down to your pillow, so that's never going to fly off. You can take this and clip it back in place into the hole, like so. And then you're just going to want to kind of push it off to the side a little bit because the new piece of trim has an alignment pin that's going to go into that hole right there. So trying to just push it off to the side a little bit, and then we're going to align it right into that hole. And while it's out of there, if you want to go ahead and route your wire a little better, I'm actually going to take my wire, I think, and route it inside of this grommet right here. It actually goes in there very nicely. If you ever do route a wire down for a video camera or anything else that you install up here, you do want to make sure that you don't ever install it in such a way that would impede the deploying of your airbag. So routing it down any existing wire looms is a good idea. And in another video that I have linked above, I will show you how to hardwire your dash cam into your truck. So take your new piece of trim, get it over top of the speaker there. Clip it into place. There's two 10mm bolts included with the kit. Just go ahead and mount those. Now before screwing this in and tightening it down, you're going to want to reinstall the weather stripping first. You could actually reinstall the weather stripping before you even put this on here. But you're just going to want to use the handle and push it away from the door frame a little bit. If you tighten it down first, you will not be able to reinstall the weather stripping because the gap between the door frame and the trim is not big enough to slide it through. Ask me how I know. I may have tried it that way first. All right, so now that we have the weather stripping installed, you can go ahead and tighten this down. Always a good idea to do it by hand since you are tightening into plastic. And then you can go ahead and pop in the included cover plates. And that's it.